Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the F minor 7th chord on your keyboard or piano. First, let's locate the root note, the note F. Play this with your first finger. Second note we need is the note A flat. Play this with your second finger. Next note is the note C. Play this with your third finger. The last note we'll need is the E flat. Play this with your fifth finger. So there you have it. The F minor 7th chord. Now, because the F minor 7th chord is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also have what's known as 4 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion because it has the root note at the bottom. To make an inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, in this case F, to the top of the chord, like this, and move your hand. This is called the F minor 7th chord first inversion. Okay? To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note, this time A flat, to the top of the chord. Move your hand. This is the F minor 7th second inversion. To do one more inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, this time C, to the top. Move your hand. This is the F minor 7th third inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note, this time E flat, all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only one octave higher. Okay? And of course we can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the root inversion. Now move the top note of the chord to the bottom of the chord. Move your hand. So this is the third inversion of the chord. Let's do it again. Top note to the bottom. Move your hand. This is the second inversion of the chord. And again, top note to the bottom. This is the first inversion of the chord. And lastly, again, top note to the bottom. And you're back in the root, at the root inversion of the chord, right? Let's do it again a bit faster. Root inversion, bottom note to the top. First inversion, bottom note to the top. Second inversion, bottom note to the top. Third inversion, bottom note to the top. And we're back at root inversion. And going the other way, starting with the root inversion, top note to the bottom. Third inversion, top note to the bottom. Second inversion, top note to the bottom. First inversion, top note to the bottom. And we're back at root inversion. Okay? Now I'm also going to show you another way of doing inversions with a 4-note chord, in this case the F minor 7th, right? Instead of playing all 4 notes with my right hand, I'm going to be playing the root note with my left hand, like this. And I'm going to change the fingering a bit here to make it easier to play this 3-note chord. So this is still the F minor 7th root inversion, right? This time I'm only going to invert the top 3 notes of the chord and keeping this root note down here. So now to make the first inversion, I'm going to move the bottom note of this chord to the top, play the root note down here, right? Lovely sound. And again, I'm going to move the bottom note to the top, play the root note like this, and one more time, bottom note to the top, and play the root note. Okay, you'll notice we're in fact back at the root inversion of the chord because it's the same note, right? Only an octave down here. And going the other way, starting at this root inversion of the F minor 7th chord, move the top note to the bottom, play the root note, and again move the top note to the bottom, play the root note, and the last inversion, top note to the bottom, root note, and we're back at the root inversion of the chord. Okay? So to practice this, simply practice these inversions like this. Yeah, I have to get ready myself. So here we go. Okay, now lastly, the whole reason we're doing inversions of chords is to make your piano playing sound more smooth, because if we use inversions, you don't have to move your hand all over the keyboard every time you have to take a new chord. So in this example, I'm going to play you the F7 chord in the root inversion. Then I'm going to play a B flat minor seventh in another inversion, and I'm going to play the C major 7th chord in an inversion, and I'm going to come home to the F7 chord in a new inversion, like this. I'll just do it one more time. The F7 in root inversion, moving on to the B flat minor 7th in an inversion, moving on to the C major 7th in an inversion, and coming home to the F7 chord. It sounds a bit like this. We'll do it again with more bass. So, there you have it, the F7 chord. So, before you leave me, please remember to like this video if you liked this lesson. I'm sure you did, right? And subscribe to this channel, help me out, guys. I'll send you info when there's new videos to watch. Okay, help me out, do it now, like and subscribe. See you around. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart, or a free chord inversion crash course, or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.